Thank you for taking my travel writing course. Now I will ask you, why do you want to write about travel? Why do you want to be a travel writer? Defining your purpose is important. It will help you in terms of what you're going to write about. Are you going to inspire, inform, entertain, share personal insights, or all of those? So clarifying your approach will help you very much in terms of your writing. You need to understand your audience. Who are they? Are they adventurers, luxury travelers, budget explorers, families, culture enthusiasts? So you need to tailor your content to them. You need to develop a writing routine, something basic that you follow every day. Maybe you write every morning for 4 hours and you don't go out until you do that. So being consistent is very important, keeps you productive. You need to meet deadlines for both personal projects and publications. You need to learn the art of storytelling, of course, because that's what you're doing. Study storytelling techniques to bring your travel experiences to life. We'll go into that more in the course, of course. Master the art of creating narratives that captivate and resonate with readers. Honing your observation skills. Train yourself to observe details keenly. The sights, sounds, tastes, smells, emotions. What are you observing? Can you bring that to your readers so they can enjoy as well? I would experiment with different formats, explore various writing formats, narratives, listicles, guides, reviews, interviews, to diversify your portfolio and engage different audiences. Make sure you edit and revise. It's very important to do that. I'm often shocked at what mistakes I've made. So yeah, make sure you do that. If you can get someone else to polish your writing, that's even better, but you may have to do that yourself for a while. So make sure it's accurate before you submit. Cultivate your resilience and adaptability. Traveling is a challenge, so it's unpredictable. You need to be able to get around and enjoy it and complete your goal of writing. So get better at that. You may want to network and build connections. You may want to collaborate on things, work with fellow writers, editors, tourism boards, industry professionals. Once you get famous, of course, they're going to approach you, which is great. They'll sponsor you probably. I would seek feedback and improvement. You always need to get better. Embrace feedback from mentors, peers, and editors. And I would add readers as well. Use the criticism to improve, because you can always get better, right?